Good morning, children. Today, our topics are balanced diet and deficiency disease. With these two topics, we will complete this chapter because these are the last topics. We will start from the balanced diet. The food we normally eat in our day is our diet. For example, what you eat during lunchtime, whatever you eat during dinner or in the morning breakfast, this is what we call diet. Okay, and what is food? Any substance consumed to provide energy. Something that you eat and provide energy is called food. And food is necessary for growth and maintenance of our health, or it provides energy. Our diet should have all the nutrients because diet means the food normally eat in a day. As we know that the food provides us carbs, means carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, lipids, etc. Means uh, with food we can fulfill the requirement of nutrients. That's why we can say that by eating food we intake the nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, all the nutrients, all the nutrients it, all the nutrients that our body needs in a right quantity. Again I repeat, the food we normally eat in a day is our diet for growth and maintenance of good health. For our diet should have all these nutrients because each nutrient has its own importance. For example, carbohydrate provide us energy, fat is also provide us energy, protein is very helpful for growth. Vitamins and minerals they protect from disease. Means these all the nutrients we require, but in a right quantity. Right quantity means not too much of one and not too little of the other. Means आपका जो भी आप nutrients को intake कर रहे हो, these nutrients should be in the right quantity. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. Roughage में जैसे कि सैलेड वगैरह होते हैं आपके, that provides you cellulose which help in removing the waste from your body, and this is called balanced diet. Means the diet which contain a good amount of roughage and water, or you can say that the diet which has all the nutrients in a right quantity is called balanced diet. Okay, do you think that people of all ages need the same type of diet? The answer is no, because the requirement for different person is different. जैसे कि एडोलसेंस स्टेज में वी नीड मोर एनर्जी, वी शुड बी वेरी एक्टिव. इट मीन्स दैट वी नीड मोर एनर्जी मीन्स हमें वहाँ पे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और फैट का अमाउंट ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है. जैसे हमारी एज इंक्रीज होती है तो हमारी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू कम हो जाती हैं. तो डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल ऑफ ऑल एजेस नीड द सेम टाइप ऑफ डाइट? नो. डू यू ऑल्सो think that what you need for a balanced diet would depend on the amount of physical work that we do? The answer is yes, because if you do physical work, if you do exercise, if you do running, it means you need more and more energy. Means what we need for a balanced diet would depend on the amount of physical work. Yes, if we do physical work more, then we need more energy. People prepare a chart of whatever you eat over a period of week. Check whether all the nutrients mentioned are present in one or the other food items. For example, carbohydrate, suppose you are taking milk. In milk, all the nutrients are present: fat, vitamins, minerals, fat, vitamins, minerals, proteins. And milk is a balanced diet, and in the right quantity they are present. Okay, pulses, groundnut, soya bean, sprouted seeds, pulses, groundnut, sprouted seed, fermented foods, फ्लोर में रोटी हो गया आपका, cereal, pulses, banana, spinach, other foods provide many nutrients. One can eat a balanced diet without expensive food material, because these are the food materials, all these food materials, they are not so expensive. It means one can eat balanced diet without expensive food materials. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly. Why? Because when you boil food, then boiling just change the nutritional value, because boiling result in the greatest loss of nutrients, while other cooking methods they preserve the nutrient. It should also be cooked. First we discuss about this. Paheli wonders whether animals food also consists of these different components. Yes, animal food also consists of these different components. For example, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, proteins. These all the nutrients in animal food also contain. Next, and do they also need a balanced diet? Yes, they also need a balanced diet for proper growth and maintenance. Okay, now eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should be cooked properly, so the nutrients are not lost, because too much cooking also lost nutritional values or nutrients. Now, are you aware that some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparation? The answer is yes. Even washing the vegetables also lost some nutrients. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result the loss of some vitamins. The skin of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, when repeated washing of fries, pulses, they remove the vitamins and minerals present in them. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easy to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of nutrients. So here you should remember that cooking and washing. Washing means repeated washing and cooking the loss of certain nutrients. But there are many methods which can not too much nutrients. Many useful, we will discuss many useful proteins and considerable amount of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking. So we should not use excess water during cooking, because they just lost the nutrients or lost the nutritional values. Okay, Buzo thought that, okay, now we discuss what are the methods, sorry, uh, now we discuss what are the methods of cooking so that the nutritional values uh, cannot be lost. Too much nutritional value cannot be lost. So the first method is microwaving. Microwaving, steaming, roasting, 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 roasting. And there are some other methods also. These are the methods: microwaving, steaming, and roasting. These are the best method to preserve the nutrients. Buzo thought that vitamin C get easily destroyed by heating during cooking. By heat during cooking, would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetable in our diet? So Buzo thought that fats would be the best to eat because fat provide us energy. Means a katori of fat will give much more energy than a katori of carbohydrate. Then Bujo thought that we should take fat, for example, fried food like samosa, puri daily. But do you think he was right? The answer is no. He was not right, because it can be very harmful for us to eat too much fat rich foods, and we may end up suffering from the condition obesity means taking too much fat. If we are taking too much fat, then we suffer from the disease obesity means जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा मोटापा हो जाता है, we becomes fatty. Okay, it means that if you are not taking all the nutrients in a right amount, then you suffer some diseases. And what we call the disease is called deficiency diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrients. If this continues over a long period of time, person may suffer from its deficiency. Means आपको यदि कोई particular nutrients नहीं मिल पा रहा है, if you are not taking a particular nutrients and for a longer period of time, then you suffer from deficiency diseases. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorder in our bodies, and these diseases are called deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough proteins in his or her diet for a longer period, it means they have stunted growth, swelling face, and discoloration of hair, diarrhea. Means these are the diseases or disorder in our bodies because of the loss of protein. So we should take protein rich food because this help in our growth and maintenance. Okay, if the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person become very lean and thin. So we need carbohydrate, proteins, fat, all the nutrients we require in a right quantity. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases and disorder. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. So we should take balanced diet in our food. Okay, the reason why widely varying food from different region had a common. Now this is the picture. This is the person we suffer from obesity. He is suffering from obesity. Why? Because of too much fat. Okay, now this is the table. Vitamin A, deficiency of vitamin A, it causes loss of vision. Symptoms: poor vision, loss vision in darkness, you cannot see in the night also. Vitamin B, the deficiency disease is very vitamin C, scurvy due to deficiency of vitamin D, rickets due to calcium, bone due to deficiency of iodine, goiter, and due to deficiency of iron, anemia. These are the decisions. This is very important table. You will have to learn this table for the examination point of view. It is very important. Okay, thus you should know about vitamin A, deficiency of vitamin cause this disease. and these are the symptoms become जैसे okay. Now this is in this chapter we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different region had a common distribution. This distribution we find ensure that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. So this is all about the balanced diet. Okay, this is what we have completed about the balanced diet and the deficiency diseases. Again, in short, I just explain. Balanced diet means a diet you take just balanced diet means a diet which have the nutrients in right quantity, and because of the deficiency of these nutrients we are suffering from diseases which are called deficiency diseases. Okay, and just you learn this table. These are the vitamins and deficiency diseases are cause and they are the symptoms. Okay, now our chapter is fully completed, and in the next video we will discuss about the cautions. Okay, now thank you for watching this video.